Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a skincare device, and I think that you're going to want to know about this product. So if you'd like to find out more, then just keep watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me for today's video. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. That way you won't miss any of my uploads. I was contacted by this company and I was intrigued, and I'm contacted by companies all the time who would like to partner with me, but I don't always say yes. But this is a product that I thought that I would like, and it says here where beauty stays, and the product is called the Glamour 365, and I have actually used this product once because I just wanted to know whether I liked it or not before coming on here to talk to you guys. So it says Glamour 365, the foundation of skincare, is effective facial cleansing. Not all facial cleansing devices suit daily use, but Glamour 365 does, which is why it is named by the number of 365, because you can use this every day. So it says that here, and this is what was sent to me. It also comes in the shade red. That is the case that it comes in, and it was actually wrapped, but I, as I mentioned, have used this, and it looks like this. There is a travel bag here, which is lovely. So not only do you have the nice storage case, so it should be very easy to stand up on your vanity there, but there's also a travel case here. So before I kind of demonstrate really quickly this product, let me just give you guys a few tidbits about it. Let me tell you some things you need to know. Okay, so a couple of things to know about this brand. The beauty device brand, originating from Japan, entered the US market in New York on June 29th, 2022. So this is a new product from Japan. Focuses on makeup removal and created the first ever electrical makeup removal facial cleansing brush. It says the vibration of up to 7,000 to 10,000 times per second ensures effective and skin-friendly makeup removal. So it also says the premium food grade silicone, high hardness and high resistance to aging to prevent dirt, odor, and bacterial growth. So quality silicone product. So the density of up to 55 bristles per centimeter ensures that the bristles can fully contact the skin for high intensity cleansing. Here is the charger. It's got a USB charger, and it goes into this spot here, and then you just plug it into the charger. It already had a little bit of a charge when I received it. It comes with this information here, so you can see the other color here. So this is the charging guide here. It shows you it's lit up here. So this is the lights on the front, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see that it's lit up on the front here, but the lights are only showing when I turn it on. These lights will dim and you'll be down to 1 here when it is time for it to be charged. Does that make sense? So that's what your device will look like when it needs to be charged. It will look like this, and this is what it will look like when it is fully charged. So this device has 3 settings. First setting is here, a little more gentle, and then it's a little more intense. And then this third setting, it has these short spurts of vibration. If you wait 30 seconds, the device will get warm. It will reach 42 degrees Celsius. The thermal eye massage mode. You use this other side and you place it on your eye to massage your eyes 1 to 2 minutes. You also can use this side to apply your skincare, and it's supposed to lead to better absorption of your skincare products. I don't know if it's also because of the vibration as well as the warmth, but I'm going to try that out. This is the vibrated thermal pad. Also works as a skincare spatula to help you evenly apply your skincare products to your face, and also an absorption booster by virtue of thermal and vibration technologies. That first cleansing mode where it was a little bit less fast, it looks like they are putting cleanser on the device and then you clean your face for about 1 to 2 minutes. Place the dry device back in the cap. So rinse it off, dry it, and then put it back in the cap. Then it has a more intensive mode, so you can put it on a more intensive mode, which is the number 2. So I guess that those short vibrations are good for the thermal eye massage and if you are applying other skincare. So let's see, I'm very curious about that to see if I can tell a temperature change. This is 42 degrees Celsius. And it says wait 30 seconds. So I have it in my hand now and it's on that setting. And let's see if I can tell a difference. It's getting warmer. Oh my goodness. I have never had anything that does this. So it gets warmer. So then you can use this underneath the eye using the smooth side. And it's warm, so you just smoothly put this over your eye. Wow. So you do feel a warmth there. Amazing. Wow. When using that mode, you can use it to apply your skincare for better absorption. So you would put the skincare on this side and you would be on that mode, and it will help your skincare absorb because of that warmth. What I will say that I liked about this when I used it, I loved, see how it fits here? What was fantastic about it was how easy it is to hold in my hand. I have used similar products that are shaped differently than this, that are shorter and wider. It's more slippery in the hand when I'm using them and easier to drop and harder to kind of use on the face. This was much easier. So I really liked that about this, that it was just easy to hold this in my hand and to get under the eye in these smaller, more curved places, in the crevices of the nose. It was just easier to kind of use on my face. This is the product again, and I really like the shape of it. It was very comfortable to use. I felt like my skin was clean when I was done, and I didn't feel any irritation or any of that. What I like to do whenever I use a product like this is I like to do a first cleanse and wash my face first, and then I will go back over my skin with this product with just a little bit of a soap to lather a little bit when using this, just to make sure that it's really, really clean. I will definitely use this product probably over the next several weeks to see if I see a difference. What I'm hoping is that when I use this product, I will be able to tell that my skin is cleaner and that I have fewer breakouts and tighter pores and just better, healthier looking skin. So I decided to insert a clip of me actually removing my makeup with this tool, and I am filming this after the unboxing. So I'm going to wet my face, and then we're going to see how well this will remove my makeup. So let's get started. Also, at some point in the video, I show you guys that this place where you actually insert the charger does actually go up and down, so you can hide that to keep it protected. But now my face is slightly damp. One of my favorite cleansers here. This is the Youth to the People plus green tea, spinach, and vitamins. And I'm going to take a pump of it here on the device here. Whoops. And we'll get started. I'm going to start on the first one. I'm probably putting lipstick everywhere now. And let's just take it up one more level. I'll take it up to the second speed. And I am avoiding my eyelids, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit my eyebrows because I do have on brow product. And this feels very gentle, and it is removing my makeup. Okay, and lots of makeup there. I'm gonna rinse this off and I'll be right back. It does rinse off pretty well. I can see a little bit of staining from my foundation, but it does come clean pretty well. So now I'm gonna take my cloth and just wipe off my makeup here. And now I'll go ahead and finish the eyes. So I've removed my makeup, so let's see how well it removed the makeup. And normally I would use the makeup wipe first and then use this device to remove the remaining makeup. But just to test this out to see how well it removes makeup, I decided to use the device first, and now I'm gonna follow with a makeup wipe to see how much is left. So here's a typical makeup wipe. So let's see what's left on my face. Okay, there's a little bit left, but that could be, some of it could be like from around my hairline, because I do know sometimes it's hard to really get that area around your hairline, because if I kind of dig into my hairline, I will find makeup every time. Actually, this is not bad. You guys see? It's just this little bit and not very much makeup. Not very much makeup is remaining on the makeup wipe. So that means that it really did a good job of removing the makeup from my face. Let's go ahead and try out the spatula portion. I'm going to use it over my eyes, and I'm also going to use it to apply some of my skincare. So you should be able to hear the vibration there, and you can also see how it is lit up here. This means the battery is fully charged, and it is getting warmer. Oh, this feels really nice. Yes, this is quite relaxing, and it is not too hot. It's just the right temperature, the right amount of warmth. So let's go ahead and use a little bit of my moisturizer here. Put a couple of pumps. Use a couple of pumps of that. So it actually did turn off on its own. So I don't know how many minutes I've been doing this, but I guess after so many minutes it will shut off. So I had to restart the device. And this feels so good. It's very smooth on the face, and the warmth is just, it feels amazing. The warm sensation is just a new and different way for me to apply my skincare. So that's lovely. And the skincare is gone. So we'll just continue to rub that in. So my skin, I know I have a couple of scars there from where I had a little breakout, but my skin looks and feels refreshed and lovely. Okay, finally, the final thing is it has on here, this document is very informative that came with it, but down at the bottom, it has like 28 little tabs, little places here for you to apply stickers. And I think what you're supposed to do is to use the stickers to make your beauty mark. Every day that you use this, you apply the sticker to help yourself create this 28-day habit of using this device, which I think is kind of lovely to kind of get you started with your device. So you would just apply your stickers to show yourself that you have been using this. Wonderful. And then on the other side here, it just shows somebody, a young girl with beautiful skin on the other side. It comes in these two colors, so you can get it in red or the color that I have shown you here. This is going to be a very important document because it has so much information on here. It tells you how to use it. It has the little sticker places for you to apply your stickers as you use this product to kind of get yourself in the habit of using it. I'm really excited to have this because I definitely find that if I use a cleansing tool that I will find leftover dirt and grime on my skin where you think you have removed all of your makeup and oftentimes you have not. So I would think that this product is going to help me get cleaner skin, and I should see a difference in my skin over time when using this product. This is very beautiful. I think it's going to look great on my vanity, and I love the fact that it has this easy rechargeable battery here, and I can charge it with my USB charger. I love that it is travel friendly and I can place my product in my little pouch. The charger and the device are in the pouch, so that will be very easy to take with me on the go. I hope that you have enjoyed my unboxing. Even though I did unbox it already, I just wanted to use it first so that I could kind of tell you my thoughts on using it. I will come back and leave you guys information in the description box to let you know how I enjoyed the Glamour 365. So I will use this for at least a month before I give you guys my final thoughts on this product. But my experience with products similar to this have been very good. Definitely a great first impression, and it warms up. I mean, it gets warmer. Like, that's amazing. I will have an affiliate link down below that will save you 15% on this product. So be sure to click the link down below if you would like to learn more about their product or if you would like to try this out for yourself. So thank you all for joining me for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will respond. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you leave. So I'll be seeing you guys again very soon in my next video. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy signing out.